everyone, it's me, and today, my dad's home. Yeah, I went up to level 12 today, and, yeah, it looks like we're about to go to Mistfall, which I always wanted to go to Mistfall. It's just me. I'll be back when I finally get there. Oh, shoot. I'm finally, here, and my dad just came in, and I had to shut my door so that I could actually talk to my dad and be like, who the heck are you talking to? But, yeah, I'm finally here, even though it took me, like, 15 minutes because I forgot where it was. I'm sorry, I read in my head, so don't tell me what to do. Hold it right there. Boy, does I care. I pressed O. What is this? Okay, I'll just give it to you. There you go. Wait, what's this? The promise. I kind of played off it because in this video it would be like 20 minutes long. Oh my god, I've never been to Mistfall before, and I've seen Mistfall, but I never saw, you know what I mean, I never saw it. I've only seen like part of it. Ooh, there's a star. I just randomly noticed that. I'm like, ooh, there's a star. Okay, ooh, it's so heavy. I need to walk. Oh my god, it's already majestic, and I haven't even, I'm sorry, I'm getting so sidetracked, but I've heard that there's, like, halflingers here, like, the ones that, what's her name? I think it's Ryan, I think it's pronounced Ryan. I could be wrong, I secretly don't know, because I'm horrible at pronouncing names. Because Juliana, my friend, I pronounce her name Juliana. And she was like, hey, Juliana. I don't even know if she realized it, but I did. Oh my god, it's so majestic. Oh, I'm sorry, I love wolves. Ow. Looks like I don't have a choice. Well, Emma, shall we? Heck yes. Yeah, I'm writing Coco because she fits in the scenery with the scene. She fits in with the scenery so freaking well. I mean, look at it. I've been writing her this whole time, so don't worry. Oh, I have to get off my horsey. I'll feed horsies. I'll feed the horsey. You're right to this beautiful halflinger. Yeah, I've heard these halflingers are in Mistfall, and I'm really hoping they get. Oh, that's my fish. Excuse me. The poor thing sounds so scared. Oh, sorry. She sounds so scared. I'm sorry. I'm dyslexic. And then, how to cover it. Easy. If that thing came out to me like that, I'd be like, nope. Oh, now it's happy. don't get anywhere near me, don't get anywhere near me, just where the heavens, Lord above. we have to mount. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, you might hear some sounds and stuff. That's because I'm watching a show on my iPad. Grr. Oh, nope. You say the horse is kind of... I really hope that that Star Stable does not put them chasing you like you had to do in the first part for you, you know, it was a race and stuff. Oh no. The horses, not the horses. The last time I had to go in the opposite direction to stay as far away as I could from them. No, no. This is how I had to get away from them. And you also had to jump stuff, so I would have to make sure that it was in the opposite direction of me. Okay, nope. Guess who's gonna die? That's me. Oh, they're gone. Okay. You don't really die. It's just like it goes pitch black. Something. No, there's a plate. Okay, the girl that's riding the horse is blind, and I would not. No. I'm sorry, that's just scary to see. I'm betrayed. Oh, I love that rear. Oh, I love the rear. Trust me, she said. I read out loud. I'm just grr. Oh, I'm backwards. I know that we're scared. I can smell fear. I've been there twice. Everybody has halflingers and I'm so happy because I love them. I love my bag. Oh, is this her mom? Oh my god, is that... Yes, I know. Mom? Sorry, I had to read that out loud. I love your hoodie. One of my friends on Musical.ly got a halflinger, and I put in the comments, I love halflingers. I know that she was like, okay. Oh, yeah, also, I was gone for a long time, probably because, oh shoot, me and my family literally just got, and also, Brooke just got back from Great Lodge. He was so excited. We're probably going to go back next year, because Pop's already booked it for next year, so, it's been a whole year until 2019. And it was the one in Georgia, not the one in Canada, that one that me and my mom, my dad, and my Nana and Pops went last, maybe 2 years ago, or maybe last year, I'm not that sure. Probably 2 years ago. I just followed and that hurt. So, yeah, I kind of didn't know where it was, and I went in the wrong direction and finally found it. Okay, oh, it just scared me so bad. I was like, did my computer? What? Did my computer shut down? Who walks like that? Like that's a scary walk. Who's there? Oh yeah, I forgot she's behind her. I was like, can you not see? Like, where are your glasses? Oh, I clicked on accident. Someday, eh? Wait, do I need to get off my horse to do this? I think I do. Yeah, I have to get off my horse. I've never seen a horse liking bananas before. I always thought bananas were like really unhealthy for them. Oh, there goes my horse. It's fine. It's fine. Bye bye. And then it's gone. Bye bye. Okay, so I will be back tomorrow. So, yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment on the video and comment on the video some more. And bye!